Hi guys, I am Mr. Paradox and we will continue press security and we will solve intro to LAN, local area network. Okay. Introducing LAN topologies. What does LAN stand for? LAN is local area network. Local area network. What is the verb given to the job that routers perform? It is routing. What device is used to centrally connect multiple devices on the local network and transmit data to the correct location? To the correct location and connect multiple devices, it is switch. Switch connect multiple devices and transmit data to correct location. What topology is cost efficient to set up? Bus topology is very cheap and it is very cost efficient to set up. Bus topology. Because in bus topology we will use only an cable. What topology is expensive to set up and maintain? Star topology is more expensive than bus topology and other topologies. Star topology. Complete the interactive lab attached to this task. What is the flag given at the end? Okay. View side. Topology flows. Okay. Ring topology. In a ring topology, all devices are a connector to others to create a full circle. Ring topology. Packets of data travel from one device to the next until they have reached their destination. One of the major flaws with a ring topology is that if a device goes down or a cable is broken, then data will no longer be passed. Okay, we must cut this cable. And ring topology will not work. Bus topology. With a bus topology, all devices are connected to a single cable, often called the backbone. Data is sent in the both left and right directions down the backbone until the packet's destination is reached. A major flaw in the bus topology is that it can't handle a large amount of data and we must send very many packets. Okay. And the bus network is now down. Okay. Star topology. With a star topology, all devices are connected with their own cable to a central switch. Every packet is sent through this switch, which means if the switch goes down, network will no longer work. See if you can somehow break the switch, and we must break this switch, and this network is now down. Okay, our flag is this. Okay. No. Okay. A primer on subnetting. What is the technical term for dividing a network up into smaller pieces? This is subnetting. How many bits are in subnet mask? 4 bytes, and this is 32 bits. As a number of 4 bytes, 32 bits. What is the range of a section of a subnet mask? From 0 to 255. What address is used to identify the start of a network? This is network address. What address is used to identify devices within a network? This is host network, host address. What is the name used to identify the device responsible for sending data to another network? Default gateway is responsible for sending data to another network. Okay, IRP. We write something default. Sorry guys. Default gateway. Okay, IRP. Okay. What does IRP stand for? Address Resolution Protocol. What category of IRP packet asks a device whether or not it has a specific IP address? What category of IRP packets ask a device? If this asks a device, it is a request. What address is used as a physical identifier for a device on a network? MAC address is physical identifier for a device on a network. What address is used as a logical identifier for a device on a network? IP address is a logical identifier for a device on a network. DHCP. Okay. What type of DHCP packet is used by a device to retrieve an IP address? It is DHCP Discover. Firstly, DHCP Discover say it. I am new here. Is there anyone who can give me an IP address? And DHCP offer and say that, hey, sure thing, you can have this address. And DHCP requests this address and DHCP act. Okay, great, you can use this IP address for next 24 hours. Okay, what type of DHCP packet does the device send once it has been offered an IP address by DHCP server? DHCP offer. No. It has been offered. Okay, this is DHCP request. It is after than offer. Finally, what is the last DHCP packet that is sent to a device from a DHCP server? This is DHCP ACK. Okay, we finish it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you later.